TechPartition is a rogue app that our research team found while checking out new submissions to the VirusTotal database. When we installed this piece of software into our test machine, we found out that it operates as adware. Additionally, we found out that TechPartition belongs to the adload malware family. On our test system, TechPartition ran intrusive advertisement campaigns and displayed multiple advertisements not related to the sites that we visited. However, it is worth saying that advertising-supported software may require certain factors to deliver ads. For instance, it may require compatible browser or system specifications. It may demand visits to particular sites in order to display ads. However, regardless of whether TechPartition displays ads or doesn't, its presence on the device endangers its system or user safety. Adware-delivered ads endorse untrustworthy or harmful websites and software, scams, and even malware. Some intrusive adverts can stealthily download or install software if clicked. If you have discovered this TechPartition adware to be the part of your browser, you should undertake the measures to get rid of it immediately. TechPartitions only targets Mac computers, so you need to check your available applications, look for TechPartition, and move it to the trash. To make sure that the system is free of other threats, I strongly advise that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Download it using this green button, install the software, and then start researching your device with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. There are certain free features in Combo Cleaner, such as disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So the program should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection and removal. After the antivirus database is updated, the program begins researching and investigating your computer. You will then see the summary of threats that were revealed during the scanning. You'll be able to click on Review Results. You will be able to know the exact locations of threats. And we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to delete these threats altogether and automatically. And this way your system will be protected in the future.